In today's video, I'm all going to teach you how to link a Wayfair product using Commission Junction, more commonly referred to as CJ, through a deep linking tutorial. This process is an excellent way to share specific products with your audience and ensure you receive the proper credit for any sales. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the website, and for our purposes today, we'll start at a specific URL. Head over to the webpage and get ready to sign in. Once the page loads, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. Ensure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need to enter your username and password on the following page. After entering your details, click Sign In again to access your account fully. With successful login, take a moment to explore your account dashboard. You can view your balance, check recent transactions, and even make or schedule a payment if necessary. This is also the place where you can update your personal information and pay your bills. Remember to choose the amount, date, and payment method before making a payment, then simply click Submit Payment to complete the process. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's open your Alibaba Cloud account in a new tab. Do this concurrently, as you'll need to log into your CJ account as well. Visit their site and, once logged in, navigate to the Advertisers section and search for Wayfair. If you haven't joined their program yet, make sure to click Join Program to get started. Once you're approved, head over to the Wayfair section and locate the Links option, then select Deep Link Tool. This feature allows you to create links to specific products. Now, you'll want to open wayfair.com in another browser tab and find the product you wish to promote. Once you locate it, simply copy the product's URL. Go back to your CJ page and paste the copied URL into the Deep Link Generator field. This tool will convert the product URL into a trackable affiliate link for you. Click Generate Link, and in just a few moments, your unique affiliate deep link will be created. Finally, copy this generated link and paste it into your chosen platform, whether it's a blog, a YouTube description, or a social media post. This ensures your audience can access the specific product directly, and you can earn commissions for the traffic and sales you drive to Wayfair. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to deep linking products from Wayfair through CJ. This method not only simplifies product promotion, but also helps you maintain a professional presence online. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you expand your affiliate marketing efforts. Until next time, happy linking!